Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking red snapper in garlic and bok choy. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have soy sauce, salt, black pepper, sugar, garlic, onion, ginger, chicken broth. We have Shaoxing rice cooking wine. We have bok choy and young onion leaves. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna prepare the fish, this red snapper. We have the medium-sized red snapper here. We're gonna put some sauce and some ingredients with it, and then we will steam this for 30 to 45 minutes. So let's do the mixing of the sauce. Now, first thing we have to do is we need to cut the young onions here and cut it like this. Okay, and the other one, we're gonna use this young onion to layer down the fish here, so the fish will not stick into the platter when we steam it. So let's put the like that. There you go. There you go. I think we have enough. Well, we can put some of this. There you go. Okay. And we put some pepper, black pepper. All right. Gonna do it both sides. Okay. All right. Then we'll do the salt. Okay. All right. All right. There you go. And we will put some ginger on top. Some ginger inside. All right. And then we will put the onions on the side, like that. All right. All right. Now, I'm gonna put some chicken broth, and then our soy sauce. There you go. And then we're gonna put like a teaspoon of sugar. All right. And then mix it. And then let's put some white wine. All right. Okay. Put some white wine here. Okay. And then we will mix it again. All right. And then we're gonna pour in the sauce that we just did. All right. Okay. There you go. And then we will put some garlic on top. Put some garlic. All right. Then we'll put some garlic inside. Okay. After that, we will steam this for 30 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes, and we'll be right back. Now we're gonna stir fry the bok choy. So we'll put olive oil. Okay. All right. Put some onions. Let's cook this for a minute. All right. Put some ginger. And then let's put our garlic. Yeah, this garlic will make the fish taste really good. So let's give this a minute or so. Our onions, garlic, and ginger are cooked already. So let's put our bok choy. All right. Put the bok choy in. Okay. Put a little of soy sauce, and we will add also a little of chicken broth. Let's add a little of chicken broth. Okay, and we will saute this for 3 minutes and should be done. After 1.5 minutes, this is half cooked, so we need another minute. Now we will the fish is done. We steamed it already, so we'll transfer this to our serving plate. Still hot. Okay, put it right there. Okay, and okay, here you go. And then we're gonna put our bok choy on the sides. Okay, like this. Wow, it smells really good. It's beautiful. The bok choy is very delicious. Okay, and we just saute this with garlic for 3 minutes, and it's done. So there you go. And then we have our young onions. We put the young onions on top. Okay. All right. And put the young onions too. And then we are heating up a 2 spoon of hot oil. We're gonna pour in hot oil in here, and also the sauce of our bok choy. We're gonna pour this in. There you go. All right. And we're just waiting for the hot oil. Here's the finished product. Red snapper in garlic and bok choy. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.